All right, we are back with Today Bestsellers, packed with great products picked just for you by our editors. Here to guide us through the must-haves is Shop Today editorial director Adriana Brock. Good morning to you.
Hey.
And by the way, don't forget you can shop with us this morning by scanning that QR code right at the bottom of your screen, right there. All right, shall we dig in?
Let's dig in.
Let's start with now. This is all on Amazon, right?
These are all on Amazon.
Peasy.
So
okay.
easy peasy.
Yeah.
This dress is like the it dress that our team won't stop raving about.
Why?
Feel how soft it is. So I call it the t-shirt dress because it feels like you're wearing like an oversized t-shirt.
Okay.
But it's actually a really cute dress with a nice A-line silhouette, which is really flattering on all shapes and sizes. It's made with this lightweight, super soft fabric that's perfect for summer in the warmer weather. I think we have some photos of our staffers in it.
And I feel like you could dress it up or just
dress it up, dress it down. I wore it with a blazer.
That's cute.
Yeah, there's Jillian there. I'm wearing it, and I love that the sleeveless version has thick straps. You can still wear
a bra with it.
Exactly.
Nice
and comfy.
I didn't know you could buy Crocs on Amazon. I'm not going to lie.
Yes, these are genius. And let me tell you something about Crocs. Nurses and teachers really love that brand.
Sure.
Because they make really comfortable shoes. You know, the clog style is what they're known for. This Brooklyn wedge is like their stylish take on a summer sandal.
Okay.
And it's all the rage. It's so cute because it's still lightweight.
And it's still comfy.
It's still
you get
comfy.
the comfort of a Croc.
They've actually made this one with a foam insole. So it's got a little bit of extra stability and cushion for you.
Okay.
And they start at under $40.
Okay. So why did you guys pick this one? We have Clinique. Also, I didn't realize you could get Clinique on Amazon.
I know. Clinique is such a great brand, and this is the Almost lipstick in Black Honey, which it's a #1 bestseller right now, but it's actually been around since the 80s. This came out in 1989, and this is the perfect shade of like no makeup. If you look at it, it looks kind of like...
Well, I was about to say, it looks like it's going to be like really dark.
But it isn't. So what it does is it applies on like a balm. You can see it here. I think we have some of our staffers. Oh, and our moms too.
Okay.
We've got some of our editors. We've got...
that is pretty.
Yeah, and it looks great on all skin tones. And that's kind of the point of it, is like a no makeup look that's going to make your natural lip color look a little bit nicer.
Okay, 2 minutes. We can do it.
Okay, we can do it.
Next?
Okay, eye gel. This one is the #1 best-selling eye treatment now. It's an eye cream, basically, for the morning. It's hydrating. It's made with yerba mate, which is packed with antioxidants. And it's also made with caffeine. So it's kind of like...
Oh, take the bags.
Yes, exactly. And the skin under your eyes is actually some of the thinnest on your whole body.
Okay.
So that's where lack of sleep, aging, and sun damage shows up. So this is something to get, and it's only $5.99.
For $5.99, that's worth it.
Exactly.
Okay, talk to me about, your bottle cleaners.
Bottle cleaners. Everybody has all these viral tumblers and cups and everything. Invest in this set. It's really affordable right now, and it comes with everything you need to clean your bottles and also just cups around the kitchen. It's got this long handle so you can really get down there, but what I really like is this detailing brush.
What is that?
Because it's going to clean things like the lid, the mouth, and that's where bacteria really builds up, and you don't want to be drinking
that's good. My
messy
kids
water.
use the Stanleys and all the things, but you have to get in there and clean
it. So get one of these, and it also cleans your straws.
So I have to admit, Adriana, I don't think I've ever cleaned my mattress. Like sheets, of course, but the mattress itself.
We forget about it.
I spot treated it.
I know, and your mattress, think about how much money you spend on it and how much time you spend on it,
how does this work?
So this, we spoke to some experts that said you should be cleaning your mattress every 6 months.
Really?
Which, who's done that? So this is a mattress cleaner.
Oh,
it's a little bit loud. It's really loud. But basically what it does, it's going to shake out all the dust. So think about pollen, dander from your pets, dead skin cells, sweat, there's so much stuff hidden in here. And this is on sale right now. So it's 37% off, under $70 right now. So invest in it. And what makes it unique is that it vibrates at almost 13,000 vibrations per minute. So it shakes everything out and sucks it right up. So it does all the work for you.
My little guy the other day had chips in the video. I'm like, what are you doing?
You can't eat it. Right. Don't do it.
Happy Mother's Day. Here, take this.
There you go.
All right. Thank you. To purchase these items, scan our QR code or check out today.com/shop. We should mention Today earns a commission from purchases through the links.